Good morning, prep1. This is a new lesson for math, solving inequalities in Q. What does it mean inequalities? Before lessons, we get the equation. Equation means number equal number or term equal term. This is the equation. Between them is equal. But the inequalities, we have to find number and number or term and between them may be more than and or less than or more than or equal or less than or equal. As we see, 6 more than negative 9, and we have properties for inequalities. We can add number for both of sides. As we see, we add positive 2 to the 6 and positive 2 to the number negative 9. Then we can say 8 more than negative 7. Like equation, if we put 7, positive 7 on the left, we have to put positive 7 on the right. Also, we can subtract from both of sides the same number. If we subtract from left negative 7, we have to subtract from the right negative 7. Also, multiplying. If we make multiply by 5 to one side, we have to make multiply with 5 to the other side. Then we can say 6 by 5. Then I have to make negative 9 by 5. And I say this is a true inequality because 30 more than negative 45. Dividing the two sides of the inequality. Dividing like multiplying. If I divide one side, divide 3, then I have to make dividing to the other side by 3. As we see, 6 over 3 more than negative 9 over 3. Then 2 more than negative 3. This is a true inequality because we do the same processing by the two sides. Also, as we see, 6 more than negative 9, we make multiply 6 by negative 1, then we have to make multiply negative 9 by negative 1. For example, find the solution set of the inequality x plus 2 less than 5. In these two cases, if x belongs to z and x belongs to n. First, we have to find x plus 2 less than 5, then find the value of x. Then we can say positive 2, put positive 2 on the other side with opposite sign. Then we can say x less than 5 minus 2. Then we can say x less than 3. Then x equal less than 3, we can say 2 and 1 and 0 and negative 1 and negative 2 and so on until we reach to negative infinite, as we see. Another example, find in Q the solution set of the two following inequalities. First, 4 minus 2x less than or equal 2. Then here 4 is positive, put 4 in the other side with a negative 4. Then negative 2x less than or equal 2 minus 4. Then negative 2x less than or equal negative 2. Then we have to remove negative 2 by dividing both sides of the inequality, dividing negative 2. Then we can say x divide negative 2, negative 2x divide negative 2. Then we can say negative 2x divide negative 2 and negative 2 divide negative 2. But we have to know, if we make divide by negative number, we have to change the sign. Then we put x more than or equal 1. Then the s is equal 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Why we took 1? Because there is equal, x more than or equal. Then we can say s is equal x, that x belongs to q, and x more than or equal 1. Another example, 7 by x minus 1 less than 9x minus 6. We can make first by first and first by second. Then we can say 7x minus 7 more than 9x minus 6. Then put negative 7 to the other side and 9x to the other side. Then we can say 7x minus 9x more than negative 6 plus 7. Then we can say negative 2x more than 1 dividing by negative 2. Then change the sign, then x more less than 1 over negative 2. Then the SS equal x, that x belong to q and x less than negative half. Another example, negative 11 less than or equal 3x minus 5 less than 4. Then negative 5, put negative 5 in the left and the right with the opposite sign. Then we can say negative 11 plus 5 less than or equal 3x less than 4 plus 5. Then negative 6 less than or equal 3x plus more than less than 9 dividing the inequality by 3. Then we can say negative 2 less than or equal x less than 3. Then the SS equal x more than or equal negative 2. Then begin with negative 2, negative 1, 0, and 1 and 2. Don't take with you for this SS 3 because x less than 3, not equal. There is no equal for 3, then I can take with me 3. Another example, x plus 2 less than 5, then x more than 5 minus 2, then x more than 3, then the SS equal 4, 5, 6, 7. Then we can say x, that x belong to q and x more than 3. Another example, negative 1 more than or equal x minus 3, then negative 1 plus 3 more than x more than or equal x. Then we can say 2 more than or equal x or x less than or equal 2. This is the same result. Then we can say SS, that x belong to q and x less than or equal 2. Another example, negative 2x less than 12. Then we can say x more than 12 divided negative 2. We change the sign because we make divide by negative 2. Then x more than negative 6. Then SS x, that x belong to q and x more than negative 6. Another example, 1 plus 2x less than or equal negative 3. Then 2x less than or equal negative 3 minus 1. Then 2x less than or equal negative 4 dividing the inequality by 2. Then we can say x less than or equal negative 2. Then this is equal x, that x belong to q and x less than or equal negative 2. Thank you for listening, prep 1. Goodbye.